Hey everyone, this is Parker from evgambling.com. In this video, I have an un-promobanned CrownCoinsCasino account, and I wanted to answer a very simple question. How much positive expected value can I extract from promotions before the casino stops sending me offers? That cutoff point is what's commonly referred to as a promo ban, when a casino decides you're winning and redeeming too much money from promotions, so they stop offering them to you. Everything you're about to see is a real-world example of EV gambling, buying positive EV sweeps coins packages, playing through them the minimum amount required, and then redeeming the sweeps coins back into real dollars. Before buying any packages at all, I just collected the free daily bonuses. From free bonuses alone, with zero deposits, I was able to redeem $124. No gambling strategy, just logging in consistently and collecting the daily bonus. After that, I bought my first two positive EV packages. These were $10 for $40 and $15 for $45. The additional $5.49 you'll see came from daily bonuses, and you might see the balance go up periodically throughout this video without buying any packages because I did continue to collect the daily bonus and any other free SC gifts given to this account. For these first two packages combined, the expected profit was $62.97, which is found by taking 85 times 97.22%, which is the RTP of the game I was playing, and then subtracting $25, which is the amount we paid. The actual profit was $27.74, which means we got 6 wins, which is lower than expected. We were still profitable, but below expectation. Moving on to the second package, this one was $15 for $18. The expected profit was $2.49, and the actual profit was negative $6.25. The first couple of packages are going to be in the small package phase. The EV on these is going to be small, but after buying a couple of these, you start to get bigger packages, which leads to bigger profits. The third package was a rolling offer that totaled up to $93 for $105. Our expected profit was $8.85, and the actual profit was $2. For all of the packages in this video, I played through them using spin a win. By betting on the odd side, the game offers 97.22% RTP with relatively low variance, which makes it ideal for EV gambling. I built a spin a win variance calculator on evgambling.com that shows how much profit to expect and how likely it is to run below expectation. For example, on the first two packages, we need to wager $85 total since the playthrough requirement is 1x. At $5 per bet, that's 17 bets. To actually lose money, we need to finish with less than $25, which corresponds to a profit threshold of negative $60. When we run that through the calculator, the probability of losing money is only about 0.02%. If you reduce variance further by placing 34 bets at $2.50, the chance of ending profitable becomes effectively 100%. The calculator also shows the full distribution curve, so you can see where results are most likely to land and how variance impacts short-term outcomes. Next up, the fourth package was $52 for $69. Our expected profit was $15.06, and our actual profit was $41.02. This one swung hard in the positive direction and made up for some earlier underperformance. The fifth package was $30 for $36.4. The expected profit was $5.30, and the actual profit was negative $1.30. Before the sixth package, something interesting happened. Between recordings, I received free gift spins as a gift, and my balance jumped by over $20 without buying anything. The package 6 itself was $54 for $66. So including that, the expected profit was $10.31, and the actual profit was $26.03. Now we start getting into the larger EV offers, often called high roller offers or something similar. This happens after you buy the cheaper offers and the casino realizes you have enough money to buy larger offers. This is where most of the EV comes from. The seventh package was another rolling offer totaling $604 for $735. Our expected profit was $110.57, and the actual profit was $169.69. For the eighth package, I totaled up 3 packages that I received at the same time, totaling $1,377 for $1,655.06. Our expected profit was $232.57, and our actual profit was $152.70. The ninth package was $545 for $667.7. The expected profit was $104.14, and the actual profit was $108.95. The 10th package was $1,965 for $2,392.50. The expected profit was $360.99, and the actual profit was $301.57. And finally, the 11th package was $750 for $900. Our expected profit was $124.98, and the actual profit was $77.79. By this point, I had a lot of money sitting in this account, so I decided to redeem the money to my bank account. This caused me to get promo banned since many of these casinos will keep giving you positive EV offers until you take your money out of the casino. I knew this at the time, but I didn't realize that the amount I had in there was enough for them to promo ban me because of it. For reference, it was about $3,700, and just 3 days before that, I'd redeemed $2,300 with no ban, so I figured this wouldn't be enough to cause the ban to happen either.
So we decided to do the redeem yesterday, but after redeeming, we did get promo banned.
I could have kept farming promos and achieved a higher total profit had I known that by keeping my money in the casino and continuing to buy packages as they came. But we still ended up with a solid profit. So here are the totals across everything you just watched. Total money spent, $5,510. Total money received from packages, $6,730.20. The total expected profit was $1,033.10, and the total actual profit was $899.94. That approximate $100 difference is explained by variance. So if you decide to follow the steps done in this video, you might end up above or below the expected $1,033 profit. However, if we run a spin-win variance calculator on all of the packages combined, we find that as long as you place small bet sizes like $5 or $10, your chance of losing money is so small it's effectively zero at that stage. Even placing $100 bets gives you a 92% chance of being profitable, although I wouldn't recommend that since it is high variance. In total, it took about 2 weeks to purchase all of the packages and eventually get promo banned, and we ended up profiting about $900. If you found this video helpful and want to try it yourself, you can sign up for CrownCoinsCasino using my referral link in the video description. You don't get anything extra for signing up with my referral link, but it helps me keep building tools and running these experiments. Remember to only play through the money once, never bet more than is required to make the money redeemable, and only buy positive EV packages. If you want to see more information, check out my website evgambling.com. I have beginner guides, strategies, and useful tools on there like the spin-win variance calculator and the EV calculator, all completely for free. Remember that your results will vary based on variance, bet sizing, and offer availability. This is exactly why EV gambling is about math and discipline and not chasing wins.